The observable universe is made up of 76 trillion stars. That's a 7 followed by 22 zeros. The Milky Way itself has about 200 billion stars. So why is it so difficult to find one piece of evidence of other intelligent life out there? Welcome to the Fermi Paradox. The Fermi Paradox is the apparent contradiction between the lack of evidence for extraterrestrial civilizations and the seemingly high probability for their existence. However, this feels rather subjective. In order to definitively prove the likeliness of alien life, you would need a mathematical formula. This is where the Drake equation comes in. No, it does not have anything to do with the musical artist Drake. The Drake equation is an equation formulated by Frank Drake in 1961, in which he attempted to find a methodical means to evaluate the probability of alien life given 7 variables. R is the rate at which stars form. Fp is the fraction of stars that actually have planets orbiting them. Ne is the average number of habitable planets per star with planets. Fl is the fraction of habitable planets that do develop life. Fi is the fraction of planets with life that develop intelligent life. Fc is the fraction of intelligent life that develops the ability to contact us. And finally, L for the average length of time that civilizations can communicate. If all 7 of these variables can be determined, then the probability of life could be easily predicted. The only downside is that the last 4 of these 7 terms are completely unknown. For the time being, it seems that we simply don't have enough information to determine the exact likeliness of life out there in the vast cosmos. But then, that leaves us with the question of why. Why does the universe appear so lonely? The absence of answers breeds theories, and there certainly is no shortage of those. The most famous of which is the Great Filter, an incomplete list of 9 steps so far proposed by economist Robin Hanson in 1998 describes the steps required to become a galaxy-colonizing civilization. The Great Filter implies that at least one of these steps must be highly improbable. Whether the filter is behind or ahead of us is yet to be determined. If it's behind us, and a step like a single-cell life is extraordinarily rare to develop, then it will appear that humanity really is the first and perhaps only civilization in the universe. However, if the filter is not behind us, then the implications of our future will seem to be as of yet very dire. Whether this filter is a climate catastrophe, a giant meteor, or a robot takeover, there's little we would be able to do about it. The universe is bigger than our comprehension, with hidden corners waiting to be explored. Is there intelligence out there? We may never know. In the end, it's best not to think about things outside of your control too much, and enjoy the fact that the Great Filter has not come for us yet.